Hello, my name is Sanea and welcome to Bollywood Basics. So what is Bollywood? Simply put, Bollywood is a nickname for the Indian film industry based in Mumbai, which used to be called Bombay, hence the name Bollywood. It is known for its elaborate, high energy and colourful song and dance sequences. And Bollywood dance is the dance style used in these films. It is an amalgamation of many Indian dance styles and is also heavily influenced by Western dance forms. So basically, it's a huge dance party. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some basic Bollywood movements that will hopefully make it easier for you to dance with me in the following 2 video sessions. Bollywood is all about big smiles, having fun, and not taking yourself too seriously. So let's begin. Alright, so before we start, just take a moment to make sure you have enough space around you to move freely. You can choose to be barefoot or wear trainers. And lastly, please feel free to change and adapt the movement to what's most comfortable to you. Great, so the first thing we're going to do is the most common transition step used in Bollywood, also known as the Bollywood bob. So nice and easy, all you're going to do is take a little hop back onto your leg as you lift up the other one. Yeah? Let's try that all together. Ready, and hop lift. Nice, one more time, and hop lift. Great, see if you can keep that going now. Think up, lifting up, 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 that's it. Great, keep going. Nice, and if you want, you can add a little hip to it. Hip, hip. Nice, okay, let's try it faster, or you can stick to the speed. Ready, and one more time. Okay, shake that leg out. Let's try the other side. Right, hop on and lift. Nice, and lift. And lift a little bit faster. Up, think up. Nice, straight away. You can add the hip if you want. And hip, hip. Great. And faster. Or you can stick in speed. Amazing. So that's the Bollywood bop. The next thing we're going to do is very similar but slightly different. So it's a stomp. So instead of thinking up like in the bop, you're going to think down and really stomp that foot. Yeah? Let's try it together. And 5, 6, 7, and stomp. Stomp. Think down. Down. Nice. Other side. Stomp. Last 4. Great. Here's a little challenge for you. Let's see if you can combine the bop and the stomp. So we're going to try and do 4 bops. So you're going to think up, up, 2, 3, 4, and 4, down. 2, 3, 4. Ready? Up to speed. And up. 2, 3, 4, and down. Down. Nice. Other side. And up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 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 Well done. So you can always come back and practice it again. Yeah? Next thing is a position that we often sit in Bollywood, yeah? So super easy, we're gonna find a wider base, really relax and soften those knees, and all you're gonna do is transfer your weight onto one side and really open up and turn out that working leg, yeah? That's it, nice. And see how far you can go and how much you can bend in that supporting leg. And try it to the other side. Nice. One more time. Really sink into that hip. Great. And other side. A little bit faster, yeah? 5, 6, 7, and sit. 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 Well done. Great. This time we're going to go sit and hip. And sit and hip. And sit and hip. And sit and hip. Great. You're gonna You want to imagine there's a little tiny drum next to your hip and you want to hit it as hard as you can. One last time. Ready? And sit and hip. Sit and hip. Sit and hip. Sit and hip. Well done. Okay. Last little thing we're going to do in this Bollywood basic video. Take a nice deep breath. Lift up your arms. Make sure they're nice and stretched out, parallel to the floor. Great. From there, you're going to spread those fingers and open up your palms. It's like asking what, yeah? We call them the what hands. So, really stretch, nice, and back, and stretch, and back, a little bit faster. Let's go. Up, up, out, out. Amazing. All right, next thing, you're going to bring your index finger to your thumb. So we're going to call these the nice hands, yeah? Or you can also choose to have your middle finger and your index finger with your thumb, whichever's more comfortable to you. See, these are your two choices, yeah? All right, so bring your arms back out. Okay, we're going to go what and in. What? Nice. Last time. In. Let's combine them. Ta and in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. And in. Last time. And breathe in. Relax. And shake those arms out. Thank you for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed a little taste of Bollywood. If you did, follow on to the next video where we'll be doing a longer session with a warm-up, a dance routine and a cool down. I'll see you there.